Really?
Ellie's been up all night doing her Christmas stuff for teacher and friends. She's so tired now, the poor girl. Look, Mrs. Rooster's got a present. That person's got a present. It's going to be wrapped.
And Mel.
That person's got a present. Who's Mel? Everyone remembers Mel, yes. and the most wonderful time. Oh no, you know, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yeah. Right, Al?
Mm.
Do you feel pretty wonderful right now, darling?
Can I have rabbit?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Good girl. Da, da, da.
The whole house
Go.
naked.
Naked? Okay. You're a weirdo.
Look at this.
I don't know where Crazy Girl's gone, but she's got me doing Christmas loops on the table. I can hear her. Here she comes. I can hear her. Come on. Hurry up, get inside, you weirdo. God, the weather's real bad now. Oh, go Ellie! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn! 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 Wow, it's out of control. Woo, go Mama, run! Mama, run! Go Mama! Oh, it goes! Woo! Da, 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 da! Woo! Oh, look at that weather! Come inside, Crazy! Alright, come on, you crazy girl. Don't know where you get it from. Whatever! Go him! Go him! Woo! Bitches! Woo! Okay, honey, come on, darling. These people next door are quiet, darling. Oh! Woo! Whoa! Rain! La, la, la. Woo-wee! You guys are crazy! Jesus! Whoa! That's blooming wet out there. She's a maniac.